आई एम लिविंग माई लाइफ. मैं थोड़ी इस स्ट्रेस में जीऊंगा कि ये आदमी क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में. मुझे एक ही जिंदगी मिली है, यही जिंदगी है, यही. दिस इज हेल, दिस इज हेवन. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड हेवन अप. That is what I believe, and God has sent me here to enjoy myself, and I'm going to enjoy myself. I'm not going to think what the other person has to think. I will tell you, live your life the way you want to live. Don't try and get into anybody else's what they have to say, because you have to satisfy yourself.